Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install fresh animations in Minecraft. Firstly, go to Modrinth and download the fresh animations pack that matches your Minecraft plus Optifine version. Now press Windows plus R, then type updata/minecraft/resources pack. Move the downloaded fresh animations zip file here. Now just launch Minecraft, Optifine version, then go to Options, then Resources Pack. Click the arrow on Fresh Animations to activate it. And if you need shaders, download the shader pack like BSL or SEUS, then press Windows plus R and type again Updata Minecraft Shaders Pack. Move the shaders zip file here. In the Minecraft, go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, and select your shaders. And done, Fresh Animations is now installed and ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.